So you've got $100 and you're wondering, can I really make money investing this small amount in crypto? The answer is yes, but only if you play smart. In this video, I'll show you 7 practical tips to turn that $100 into something bigger without falling for hype or scams. These tips are simple, realistic, and perfect for beginners who want to grow their money safely. Alright, let's jump straight in. Tip 1. Start with the right platform. Before you buy your first crypto, choose a trusted exchange like Coinbase, Binance, or Kraken. Make sure it has low fees, strong security, and supports popular coins like Bitcoin or Ethereum. If you're new, start with a centralized exchange, then later learn how to use decentralized wallets for more control. Think of it like learning to drive. You start automatic, then go manual later. Tip 2. Diversify. Even with $100, don't put your entire $100 into one coin. Instead, try something like this: $50 in Bitcoin, the most stable; $30 in Ethereum, great for long-term growth; $20 in a smaller project like Solana, Polygon, or Avalanche for higher risk and reward. This way, if one coin drops, others can balance your portfolio. Diversification protects your money from sudden crypto crashes. Tip 3. Use dollar cost averaging. Instead of investing all $100 at once, break it into small parts, maybe $25 every week for a month. This strategy, called dollar cost averaging, reduces your risk because you're buying at different prices. Think of it as buying crypto on discount days throughout the month. Tip 4. Learn before you earn. Knowledge is the real investment. Spend a few hours each week learning about blockchains, trends, and security. Watch YouTube channels, read blogs, or follow reliable sources like CoinMarketCap and CoinGecko. Even if you only earn 10% from your $100, the knowledge you gain could help you earn 1,000% later. Tip 5. Avoid meme coins and quick hype. It's tempting to buy the next Doge or Shiba Inu hoping to get rich overnight. But remember, most meme coins rise fast and fall even faster. If you ever invest in them, use only a small amount, like $5 or $10, that you can afford to lose. Serious investors focus on projects with real-world use, not just hype. Tip 6. Reinvest and compound your earnings. Let's say your $100 grows to $120. Don't cash out yet. Reinvest your profits into staking, yield farming, or long-term holds. For example, staking Cardano or Ethereum can earn you around 2–6% yearly. Compounding small gains over time can turn $100 into $300 or more. Patience makes profits in crypto. Tip 7. Secure your investments. Crypto is exciting, but it's also full of risks. Always keep your assets safe using a hardware wallet or at least two-factor authentication. Never share your seed phrase and avoid clicking random links on social media. Think of your crypto wallet like your house. You wouldn't leave your keys lying around. There you go. 7 simple and practical tips to invest your first $100 in crypto wisely. To recap: 1. Choose a safe exchange. 2. Diversify. 3. Use DCA. 4. Keep learning. 5. Avoid hype coins. 6. Reinvest profits. 7. Protect your wallet. Even a small investment can grow if you stay disciplined, patient, and consistent. If you found this helpful, hit the like button, subscribe, and drop a comment saying crypto growth. Let's grow your financial future, one smart step at a time.